Okay, everybody, welcome back to Building with Boofus. We are building, in a sense, but it takes a lot of work first. We're going to be building maple syrup. That's a loose way of saying it, but we're going to be making maple syrup. We got a special guest today, Alice.
Hi.
And Alice is going to help. We are going to go tap some trees. So, Alice, let's go to it. So we got to find the best way to get in here. Let's go right through this way. All right. So we've got a couple big maples that we tap every year, way over here on the end of the property. And here we are. All right, Alice, let's get the first. Oh, I forgot the tubes, the tubing.
I'll look at it.
Go get the tubing.
I hope you did not do that.
They're the two blue ones that I left right over there. Okay, so we got to pick a spot. So if you see, there's some of our holes from previous years. We got a couple holes here and there, but these trees have produced some of our best sap each year. These are big old huge maples, and they are, there's the other one right there. They've produced a lot of sap. So, did you get those two, Alice? Yeah, that looks good. Bring them on over. Okay, so there's the hoses. Now, time to tap, Alice. Okay, I'll do the drilling and you tap it in, okay? Let's pick a good spot. One that we haven't done. Got to be a ways away from where we were before. So let's try.
We were right there last year.
We was? No, I don't think so. We were there a few years ago. Let's try right here. All right. Can't tell if anything's coming out yet. Go ahead, Alice. Can you tap that in there easily? Yeah, I think you got it. Let's tap it. Try it a little bit more.
Just walking in the head. Almost.
Okay, we got it. All right, get me one of the pieces of tubing.
A little dirty.
Yeah, it's a little dirty. It's okay though.
Now let's get a bucket.
Now let's get a bucket. Put the tubing on.
Anything coming out?
Oh yeah, we're gonna have all kinds of saps running already. Okay, Alice, let's set this right down right here in the snow.
I'll cover some snow around it.
Okay, we'll stick the hose in there. Oh yeah. Sap is running already. Look at that. Okay, put a little bit of snow around it. Okay, let's go on to the next one, Alice.
I gotta finish.
Okay, I'm gonna go over here and pick the next spot on this tree. Okay, let's pick a good. We were there a couple of years ago, and over here. Let's go right over here.
Where were we last year?
We were right over there last year, so we're gonna go right here this year. Okay, I'll tap it in.
Can I tell you a song I learned today? It's called Penny, Penny, Easily Spent. I'm worth one. I know that.
Oh, all right.
You can see stuff already coming through it.
Yeah, sap's already coming out, yeah. All right, let's get that
in there quickly because it's coming out really fast.
Oh, yeah, look at that. That's going to be awesome, Alice.
Let's get the bucket.
Okay, so let's put the bucket around here on the back side so that it doesn't get in the sun as much.
I'll put some snow.
There's quite a bit of snow around it right now. And there we are. Okay, Alice, let's move on to the next ones. Okay, next hole. I think we'll do right here. Okay, Alice, we have got the hole done. Now we need the tap. Okay, there's the tap, Alice. Go ahead and tap it in. Good job. Okay, put the pipe on.
And we already got sap running.
We already got sap running.
So that's good.
That is very good. Okay, let's set the bucket right down there out of the way. Twist the hose a little bit. Stick it in the hole here. Look at it going already, huh, Alice? That's pretty awesome.
In the tube.
Already in there. Look at that. Okay.
It's already done here.
Yeah, on to the next one. All right, Alice. We got our next spot. This is actually one of the property lines, but we're going to start right here. We're going to do it right here. Nice hole right here. Okay, there's that. Now we've got the tap. Tap that right in, Alice. How'd you get it? Let me help you. Yeah, okay. Now let's put the hose on there. Okay, yeah, want to take the drill? Let's set the bucket around the back here, like we did on the other ones. Just like that. Yeah, I don't see anything yet, Alice. Huh. Yeah, it'll come eventually. Okay, on to the next one. Hey everybody, so we tapped a whole bunch, but you see we got a few things left here. We got a couple, 3 buckets, a few more pieces, but we are running out of daylight. So we are going to call it a wrap for today and head back because I think somebody's hungry. Okay, so everybody, if you liked what's going on here, hit the subscribe button, like this video, and come back next time and we'll do some more tapping, and then later on down the road we will do some boiling to get that wonderful maple syrup. Till then, we'll see you guys later.